welcome back. It's the next day now, so we can let out our other two canaries that were in quarantine and our golden deans. I hope I'm saying that right, the brightly coloured birds. Well, you'll see them when I let them out into the flight. Let's see what we're doing. We're going to release the canaries and the, what they call, Callum?
Gouldian finches.
The golden dean finches. Here we go. Oops. So they just need to get used to their parameters and the space that they've got. And once they do, they'll stop bouncing into the mesh. But luckily it's flexible and it doesn't hurt. So I'll get out now so they can calm down. To like, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so any uploads I do, you'll get them first.